Hey guys, back in the garage. Today is January 23rd. There's a couple videos coming out. I'm pretty far behind right now in uploading them, but you guys take a look at everything. There's a lot of videos that go out before this, and a few videos of the Integra. Those are all currently uploaded, but spare motor, I'm gonna get some videos done on this today. But what I want to show you guys are the all-wheel drive parts for the Integra. Here it is. It's an Element full drivetrain. So 5-speed transmission, rear diff, drive shaft. I want to say, I'm trying to think, passenger axle, driver's side axle, and the rear axles. And I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and cut those guys open. This car that I got it from had some water damage. So if you guys can give me some recommendations to clean this stuff up, whatever you guys can recommend, so I could clean this up, because I'm pretty sure that's gonna look not as bad, but roughly. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut those guys open. But that's it, guys. The all-wheel drive drivetrain system for the Galant, an Element 5-speed. I'm excited, so let's go ahead and cut these guys open and see what it looks like. Well, there goes rear diff. Could use some cleaning. Like I said, let me know what you guys recommend on cleaning this stuff up. Let's see how rough the transmission is. Well, transmission's pretty, I guess it's not too bad. There goes the transmission. Throw up bearing. Well, there it is, guys. Let's see. That's my Element transmission. Hoping this all works out pretty well. But it spins. You can tell it is from an East Coast car. But you know what? It's gonna work out good. It's gonna work out. So let me bring the camera a little closer. Alright, you guys give me some ideas on cleaning this stuff up. Some kind of wire brush. I don't know. You guys give me some recommendations. Especially inside here, I want to clean this up. Obviously get new parts here. Probably new axle seals. You can tell it's like, it looks a little rusty in there. So it's a little concerning, but everything still spins. My goal which I'm not 100% sure if I can, but it's to, when I put this motor in, put it in with that transmission, I just don't know how the viscous coupler works with these, or how exactly these run with the all-wheel drive drivetrain. I'm hoping I could slap that transmission on this motor, drop it in, and be able to drive it just fine. So you guys let me know if I'm capable of doing that, or if I'm going to run into issues with how the viscous coupler works on this, which I'm not even entirely sure. But that's it, guys. I think I want to mock it up real quick for a picture, so just let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little something real quick and then turn back on this camera. There it is, guys. It's complete all-wheel drive system. I'm excited to get this done. It's just a matter of funding the rest. HCP provides the trailing arms, lower control arms for the rear, and they now have the diff mount. And I might be purchasing what they have, and I know Hasports is in the makings of the same parts. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I don't know if I'm going to wait it out, but 5-speed all-wheel drive, guys. It's coming for the Integra. All I can ask is for you guys to like, subscribe, share the video. When I do pull that transmission out of the Integra, I will compare it to this one to see if the shift linkage is all going to be the same. I've heard it is, and I'm not 100% sure how true that is. But hopefully it's true. And yeah, guys, there it is. All-wheel drive. K-swapped Integra. Soon to come. Next video you guys will see will be on this guy. So I'm going to knock out a bunch of videos here shortly for this, but I'm excited. Let's see where this, let's see what happens with this, guys. But like I said, I need some help from the community. Share, like, subscribe to my channel. That will help me get this going. Other than that, thanks, guys. And can't wait, but this is going to be a beast. It's going to be a beast.